How to change your Klarna email. Need to change your email? This guide shows you how to change your Klarna email so you can keep your account information up to date. First, open the Klarna app and go to your profile. You can find it in the main menu or in the top left of the screen. From here, navigate to Account Info and Addresses right here. On the Account Info and Address page, you'll see your current email address. Tap on it to edit your email address. You'll be asked to enter a new email address. You'll then receive a verification link to your new email address. To change it, you'll need to sign out and enter with a new email address. You'll need to click on the link to verify a new email address. Once you verify the new email address, your Klarna account will be updated. You now can use email address to log into your account and receive all the notifications. It is a great way to keep your account information up to date. You now know how to change your Klarna email. Get ready to keep your account information up to date. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.